everyone and welcome to KidsVision TV. Today I am going to color a beautiful queen. Let's color with me. Kids, are you ready? Let's start. First, I am coloring her hair with brown color. And now I'll tell you a story of the queen and her naughty duck. Once upon a time, there was a queen. She had a quail and a duck at her palace. The quail was nice and quiet, but the duck was naughty and funny. One night, while the queen was sleeping, the duck stood on her quail and started to make a quack quack sound. The queen opened her eyes and said, "Shh, be quiet, naughty duck. Why did you make me up? I want to sleep." Kids, how do you like my story? If you like this story, then please must subscribe. Q is for queen and Q is for quail.
Subscribe us for more videos.
And now I am coloring the palm of queen with red color and green color. Let's outline the palm with red color. Kids, do you know? Queen live in castle and wear beautiful dresses and jewelry. Kids, do you like Queen and her palace? Dark green color. Red color in her necklace and her earrings with green and red color. Wow, I love this beautiful queen. Let's color her face and her neck with skin color.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Her eyes are very beautiful and attractive. let's color in her beautiful eyes with sky blue color. And let's color in her lips, light pink color. Wow, this beautiful queen looks adorable.
Subscribe us for more videos.